Hey, what's happening, good people? Hey, listen, this Coach Mike with your minute of elevation. Hey, I'm gonna let baby girl give y'all the message today, you hear me? And what else do we say? I'm gonna conquer the day.
I'm gonna conquer the day.
What else you say?
No matter what.
No matter what. Listen, that has to be your mindset. That's what we say every single morning because we do understand that this life, and I'm teaching her that this life, it comes with setbacks. The day's not going to be perfect like you're expected, but you have to have a mindset of I'm going to conquer the day no matter what. No matter what comes my way, I'm going to be on top of this day. I may not feel like doing certain things, I'm going to do it. I may not receive the results that I want. I may fail at times. I'm putting it in her mind right now. You may fail at times, but at the end of the day, you try your best, you get up, and you conquer the day. And it may not feel good, but the mindset you gotta have is I'm going to conquer today no matter what. And we said it every single day before she go off to school. She may not know what it means right now, but soon she will. Hey, cap less and grind more.